Alright guys, I got here also an Orion telescope. It's an 80mm refractor. The series is uh, Starseeker. It's an Orion Starseeker, 80mm. It is also automated. Well, at least somewhat automated. A little remote here. Sorry, you have to plug this guy in order for it to work. There's no actual power switch. You have to plug it in. Kind of weird. I bought this one a couple years ago. I just didn't use it much. But you have this little program here. You hit enter to begin your alignments and everything. You go through the steps. Unfortunately, I don't have that's the longitude and latitude for Lee, Massachusetts, if you're interested. Uh, you enter in all the information, and it's supposed to find everything easily in the sky. To be completely honest, it never really worked 100% as it was supposed to. It was very, very close, but it wasn't exact. It probably was user error. But I'm not going to go through all the details of how to work the remote there. You can use it standard. You don't have to do anything fancy with it. You can just, point and look, although it's not that easy. Right here is a red dot viewfinder. You kind of like line up your telescope with that. It's got the little, you line up your telescope with the viewfinder first, and then you should be able to look through the eyepiece. This is actually customized a little bit here. The elbow is a mirrored elbow, and I put that on. I got the baro tube here, which gives you 1.5 times magnification, I believe, or 2.5 times. And also, it comes with custom eyepieces too. That is a 7.5mm, I believe. It says it on the edge there. I don't know if you can read it. There's a 7.5mm, and also it comes with this case. It's got a 20mm and a 10mm eyepiece. Different colored filters. If you ever were doing, interesting stuff, different filters are for different. If you're looking at the moon or different stars, I honestly don't use the filters. I only use the eyepiece. This one that's on here now gives you the most magnification. You get pretty good view of, different planets. You can get really close up on the moon. You can find Saturn pretty well. It's a bigger planet. Jupiter you can usually see pretty well. You get pretty decent views with this little guy. Yeah. Let me know if you have any questions, guys.